Hi everyone. My name is Zi-Hao. Before I start my self-introduction, I want to say thank you for inviting me to your show, Alan. I'm junior in NTUST majoring in electrical engineering. The reason why I choose electrical engineering as my department is that when I was a 15-year-old child, I see a really creative invention on Facebook. And here is the video. The invention is called baby burping machine. After eating, it moves pet baby's back to let him burp. So this guy invented a machine to help all the mothers.
Tap the burp baby button.
Invent something is not only count on one's ability, but also count on one's creativity. I hope in the future I will be the one helping people around the world with my invention. Thank you again for your inviting, Alan. My name is Zi-Hao. See you guys next time. Bye bye.